I wanted to ask you why you and your husband, back in March of 2008, accepted and participated in a very large IPO deal from Visa. At a time there was major legislation affecting their credit card companies making its way through the House. And did you consider that to be a conflict of interest?
I don't know what your point is of your question. Is there some point that you want to make with that?
Well, I guess what I'm asking is, do you think it's all right for a speaker to accept a very preferential, favorable stock deal?
Well, we didn't.
And you participated in the IPO.
Well, I have many
and at the time you were
investments, but
Speaker of the House. You don't think it was a conflict of interest or had the appearance of a conflict of interest?
It only has appearance if you decide that you're going to have elaborate on a false premise. But it's not true, and that's that.
I don't understand what part's not true.
Yes, sir. That I would act upon an investment.
That I would act upon an investment. What they're basically saying is you jumped in and bought all this stock because, you know, we can't prove it, but you know, because you're the Speaker of the House, you know about all legislation that's going to come to the floor. And here's one that is going to be very favorable for this company or whatever. And you and your husband bought a shitload of stock right before that legislation came out that was very favorable for them, and you made a bunch of money on it. You know, just because I know that this is going to be something very positive for the company does not mean that that's why I bought the stock for that company. And this is something that you see with all members of Congress.